Good morning Year 6, welcome to another Year 6 Maths video. Today we're going to go through the answers from yesterday's problems and then set you a little challenge. So, problem number 1. In order to do this, you had to convert the denominators into the same, so you would have turned 3/4 into 6/8. When you add them together, you get 1 and 3/8, which of course is greater than a whole, so the calculation went into the box. For this one, we had to convert 1/4 into 6/24, add them together, and you get 29/24, which is the same as 1 and 5/24. Obviously that's more than one whole, so it goes in the box. Then 1/7 add 1/56, convert the 1/7 into 8/56, add them together, 9/56, obviously nowhere near a whole, so that calculation goes over here. 1/8 and 1/56, turn the 1/8 into 8/56, turn the 1/8 into 7/56, which gives us a total of 8/56, which obviously is much less than a whole, goes over here. And last one, 2/5 add 9/25, turn 2/5 into 10/25, add them together and get 19/25, not a whole, so they go over here. Well done if you got all the right calculations in the right box. Number 6, Esther cycles 2 7/10 kilometres and takes a rest. Later Esther cycles 3 1/4 kilometres. How far does she cycle in total? So you needed to turn 2 7/10 into an improper fraction to get 27/10. Then you needed to turn 3 1/4 into 13 quarters. You couldn't add them yet because they didn't have the same denominator. The common denominator with 10 and 4 is 20, so you turn 27/10 into 54/20 and 13 quarters into 65/20. You add them together and you get 119/20. Turn that into a mixed number and you get 5 whole kilometres and 19/20. Well done if you got that. It's quite a few calculations. Number 7, or whatever number it was. 3 buckets are partly filled with water. Each bucket can hold 10 litres in total. Is it possible for all the water to fit into one bucket? Well, no it's not. The way you had to work that out is put them all into a common denominator and add them together, and you would have found that you had 10 litres and 1/20. So it would have only overflowed such a small amount, but it would have overflowed. Well done if you got the answer no, even better if you got the answer 10 and 1/20. Very well done. So your challenge for today. During my birthday party, my friends and family all ate 2 18/20 of ham and pineapple pizza and 60/40 of spicy chicken pizza. How much more ham and pineapple pizza did my friends and family eat than spicy chicken pizza? Maybe read the problem again carefully, think about what you've got to do, then pause the video and the answer will be revealed afterwards. So hopefully you've had a go. Let's see if you got it right. So you had to make the ham and pineapple pizza 58/20 by converting it from a mixed number into an improper fraction. Then your spicy chicken pizza was already an improper fraction, but you needed to turn it into having a common denominator, so it was 30/20. Then you do 58/20, take away 30/20, which gives you 28/20, which is the same as 1 8/20, or 1 2/5. Well done if you got the right answer. See you tomorrow for more fun.